How to fix Instagram leave a note option not showing or working. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, make sure if your internet is working properly. Then head to the Play Store. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on search and simply tap on the search app. Now simply tap on search apps and games. Now search for Instagram. Now make sure to update to the latest version. Now wait for some time. Now once you are done with that, go back to your home screen. Keep holding the Instagram icon. Now tap on App Info. Now click on Force Stop. Go to Storage Usage and tap on Clear Data. Now tap on Delete and restart the application. Now log in into your account. Now at the top right corner, tap on Message icon. Now tap on your note. Now type your note and tap on Share. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.